So this is inside this our 2005 Honda Pilot. I'll start it up and then we'll see if we can reproduce some interesting noises I've been having lately. In fact, I kind of thought, you can't see anything here, but I thought that I would get just even the way it sounds starting up. Hopefully that seems just a little bit different, maybe a little slower than it used to be. So here's it starting up. And that is an example of that. It doesn't want to kick in there and start. So eventually it gets going. So this is, it's just idling. It's in park, and to me it more or less sounds like it should. Alright, so this is the engine, the way it sounds when the car's in neutral. It's okay. There's a little bit of a slight kind of up and down to it. Okay, so this is just driving, idling. It's in drive, and you can kind of hear that noise. It's idling. It sounds like a diesel engine, honestly. Now it's going. Sounds okay. Give it some gas, and you got that noise. Seems to be more of a problem when it's idling. When you're going like this, driving down the street, seems to be okay. Slow down. And just idle. You hear that? Sounds like a diesel engine. Gave it gas, and now we're going. So it's in reverse, and it's just idling here. You have this diesel engine sound. Those changes over there on the tachometer, I'm not doing anything. It's in drive. Parking brake is on. My foot is on the brake. Makes this diesel engine sound when it goes down low. And then the RPMs pick back up. It's like, so I don't know. So hopefully this is visible. This is what this code scanner is telling me. Got that one code, and then we've got this code. It's the same thing pretty much. So that's it. That's what it's telling me.